Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use time tracking in Jira. Let's get started. First, log into Jira and click on the settings icon here in the upper right. Then click on work items. Some versions of Jira still use the term issues, so just click on it and it will bring you to the same tab. On the left panel, scroll down until you see work item features and click on time tracking here. In here, click on Edit Global Settings down here, and this pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, depending on your work, set up the working hours per day, working days per week, the format for time display, and the default unit for time entries. Once you're done setting up, click on Save down here to apply your changes. Next, to log in time on your task, open a task in Jira, and in this right panel, look for Time Tracking and click on it. So enter the time you've spent so far in this task and then enter the time remaining needed to complete it. Next, in this field, enter in the date when you began working on this task, and you can also add a brief description if you want. After that, just click on Save to log in your time. And that is how you can use time tracking in Jira. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.